What is an operating system? An operating system is a software that acts as an interface between computer hardware components and the user. These are the types of operating systems: batch operating system, time-sharing, multiprocessing, distributed, network, real-time operating system, and mobile operating system. Batch operating system. This type of operating system does not interact with the computer directly. There is an operator which takes similar jobs having the same requirement and group them into batches. It is the responsibility of the operator to sort jobs with similar needs. Number 2. Time-sharing operating system. Each task is given some time to execute so that all the tasks work smoothly. Each user gets the time of CPU as they use a single system. These systems are also known as multitasking systems. The task can be from a single user or from different users. The third one is the central processing operating system. When two or more central processing units operate within a single computer system, it is referred as a multiprocessor system. In such computers, these multiple CPUs have a close connection and communication to share data and programs. Next is the distributed operating system. This type of operating system is a recent advancement in the world of computer technology. It is widely accepted all over the world, and that too with a great pace. Various autonomous interconnected computers and communicate with each other using a shared communication network. Next is the network operating system. These systems run on a server and provide the capability to manage data, users, groups, security, applications, and other networking functions. This operating system allows shared access of files, printers, security, applications, and other networking functions over a small private network. Real-time operating system. This type of OS serve real-time systems. The time interval required to process and respond to inputs is very small. This time interval is called response time. Real-time systems are used when there are time requirements that are very strict, like missile systems, air traffic control systems, robots, etc. There are two types of real-time operating system: the hard real-time systems and the soft real-time system. And the last type of operating system is mobile. Mobile devices such as phones, tablet computers, and MP3 players are different from desktop and laptop computers, so they run on operating systems that are designed specifically for mobile. And the most famous mobile operating systems are Android and iOS, but others include BlackBerry, Web, and watchOS. What is mainframe? A mainframe is an ultra-high performance computer made for high-volume processor-intensive computing. They are typically used by large businesses and for scientific purposes. Operating systems for mainframes. For IBM Z mainframes, the operating systems they use is first the z/OS. z/OS is a 64-byte operating system for IBM Z architecture mainframes, introduced by IBM in October 2000. Next mainframe operating system is ZVSE. IBM ZVSE is an operating system for IBM Z platform that you can use for reliable and secure transactions and batch workloads. Next is ZTPF. IBM Transaction Processing Facility, or TPF, is a high-volume, high-throughput transaction processor that can handle large continuous loads of complex transactions across large geographically dispersed networks. Next is the IBZVM. ZVM is a highly secure and scalable hypervisor and virtualization technology for cloud infrastructure and for running critical applications. ZVM supports Linux, z/OS, ZVSE, and ZTPF operating systems, and the last one is Linux. The Linux operating system offers a solid foundation for your hybrid cloud IT infrastructure. See how workloads running on Linux on Z inherit the reliability, scalability, and security of the IBM Z platform, and how workloads consolidated onto Linux on Z share resources to reduce costs. Unix operating system. Unix is a portable, multitasking, multi-user, time-sharing operating system. Unix operating systems are widely used in PCs, servers, and mobile devices. The Unix environment was also an essential element in the development of the Internet and networking. Here are the top 5 Unix operating systems. First is the Oracle Solaris operating system, Darwin operating system, IBM AIX operating system, HP UX operating system, and FreeBSD operating system. Unix-like. A Unix-like operating system is one that behaves in a manner similar to a Unix system, while not necessarily conforming to or being certified to any version of single Unix specification. Here are some examples of Unix-like operating system. Android BSDNet 2, Dragonfly BSD, GNU Hard, Illumus, iOS, Iris, macOS, macOS Server, Minix, and so on. The 6 components of an operating system. We have the file management, process management, I/O device management, network management, secondary storage management, and security management. A file management is a set of related information which is defined by its creator. It commonly represents programs, both source and object forms, and data. Functions of file management. File and directory creation and deletion for manipulating files and directories, mapping files onto secondary storage, backup files on stable storage media. Process management is a procedure for managing the many processes that are running simultaneously on the operating system. Every software application program has one or more processes associated with them when they are running. Functions. Process creation and deletion, suspension and resumption, synchronization process, communication process. I/O device management is an operating system that helps you to hide the variations of specific hardware devices from the user. Functions. Offers buffer caching system, provides general device driver code, provides drivers for particular hardware devices, helps you to know the individualities of a specific device. Network management is the process of administering and managing computer networks. It includes the performance management, fault analysis, provisioning of networks, and maintaining the quality of service. Functions. Helps you to various computing resources in size and function. Offers the user access to the various resources the network shares. Helps you to access shared resources that help computation to speed up or offers data availability and reliability. Secondary storage management. The computer system offers a secondary storage to back up the main memory. Today, the modern computers use hard drives SSD as the primary storage of both programs and data. Functions. Storage allocation, free space management, disk scheduling. Security management. The various processes in an operating system need to be secured from each other's activities. For that purpose, various mechanisms can be used to ensure that those processes which want to operate files, memory, CPU, and other hardware resources should have a proper authorization from the operating system.